In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Adobe account. Logging into your Adobe account can be a straightforward process once you know exactly what to do, and I'm here to guide you through each step. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Adobe's official website. You can do this by entering www.adobe.com into your address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see Adobe's homepage, which showcases their wide range of creative, marketing, and document management solutions. Don't let all of these options overwhelm you. Our focus is on signing into your account, so let's proceed to the next step. Next, look towards the upper right corner of the homepage. There you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to the Adobe login page. Before we move on, it's worth noting that if you ever encounter difficulties signing in, this page often has helpful resources or support links that might answer your queries. Once you're on the login page, you'll see a space to enter your email address. Here's a quick tip. If you frequently forget which email you use for your Adobe account, you might want to check any email from Adobe you may have received in the past, as that could provide a clue. Type in the email address associated with your Adobe account in the highlighted field. After you've entered your email address, click on the Continue button. This action will prompt you to enter your password on the next page. Be sure to type carefully, as passwords are case sensitive. And if you've forgotten your password, Adobe provides an option to reset it by following a few simple steps, usually involving your email. Once you've entered your password, click on the Continue button again. At this point, Adobe might ask you to verify your identity for added security, especially if you haven't logged in from your current device before. This could involve receiving a code via email or phone. Simply follow the prompts if required. And just like that, you should now be logged into your Adobe account. From here, you have full access to all your Adobe products and services, whether you're checking your subscription status, downloading software, or exploring updates. Logging in is a quick process once you're familiar with the steps, and now you have the know-how to do it with ease. Thanks for following along today. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day and enjoy using your Adobe products.